Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. In this video, we will explore about the habitat. Let's check this out. What is habitat? Habitat is the place where a living thing lives. The habitat provides the living things with what it needs to survive. And then the living things can stay alive. What are living things need to survive? The first one, living things need food, and then need water, need shelter or like a house, and the last one, need protection from the dangers. The habitats can divide into two kinds. The first one is huge habitats like the ocean, forest, and the other, and small habitat like a rotting log, like rocks, and the other. Huge habitats. The ocean. There are so many living things can live in the ocean because they get food, water, the shelter, and the protections. The living things live in there. Example is coral, fish, jellyfish, or the other living things. Next, seashore. So many living things can get food, water, shelter, and protection in seashore. For the example, hermit crab, sea eagle, coconut tree, or seaweed, and the other living things. Garden. Many kinds of living things can get food, water, shelter, and protections in there. For the examples, many kinds of flowers, kind of plants, animals like cats, butterfly, bee, or the other living things. Forest. It provides food, water, shelter, and protections for most of the plants and then some animals. Maybe inside the forest, there are a smaller habitat. Mangrove swamp. Maybe mangrove swamp is the habitat for tree crab, mud skipper, egret, mud lobster, crocodile, water monitor, and then also the mangrove tree. Desert is the place with the hot weather. Maybe some living things cannot live in there, but for the cactus or the camels, it can live in there because they get food, water, shelter, and protection in desert. Next is pond. Maybe pond is the suitable habitat for the frog, dragonfly, pond scatter, and then water lily and some plants or tree because it gets food, water, shelter, and then protection. Small habitats. Here are the example of small habitat like rotting log. Maybe rotting log we can find inside the forest. In rotting log, we can find the millipede or mushroom can live on there. Next, inside the living things like us. Inside our body or the animal's body, there are so many bacteria can live in our body. So that's habitat. Okay, we already learned about habitat. It's completed. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.